देश की आज़ादी के पश्चात 10 दिसंबर 1965 को भारत के तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन ने अकादमी को निशान प्रदान किया। अकादमी का नया निशान 15 दिसंबर 1976 को भारत के तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति श्री फखरुद्दीन अली अहमद द्वारा प्रदान किया गया था। इसी दिन पुराने निशान को ऐतिहासिक आईएमए भवन में यादगार चिन्ह का स्थान मिला।
परेड इस समय विजय भारत की धुन पर मार्च कर रही है। नौजवानों का ये जोश, उनका उत्साह, एक साथ उठते ये हाथ, एक साथ बढ़ते ये कदम, उभरा हुआ सीना प्रमाणित करता है इस बात को कि देश सुरक्षित है इन हाथों में। ये कदम इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। तिरंगे का सर सदा ऊंचा रहेगा। इनके कदमों की आवाज हमें बता रही है कि आखिरी गोली, आखिरी सांस तक लड़ते रहेंगे ये वीर।
देवी और सज्जनों, जब भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का निशान आपके सामने से गुजरे तो कृपया खड़े होकर निशान को सम्मान दें एवं वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें।
The number of alumni who've been decorated in war is legion. Most of them have had their baptism in fire in the wars since independence. Some where blizzards and snowstorms rule. Some where the wind blows full of sand. Some where the waves hold argument with the sky. And some in the uncharted space above. But like professional soldiers, they are conscious of the hazards of the profession they had chosen and were aware of the contribution they were making to safeguard the sovereignty of our nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the Nishan Toli approaches, you are requested to rise. Those in uniform will salute. Ladies and gentlemen, you will notice that the first contingent approaching the saluting dais is carrying a red flag. This is the Chief of Army Staff banner, which is presented every term to the champion company and therefore has the proud privilege of being a part of the first contingent on parade.
The first officer cadet leading the parade is Academy Cadet Adjutant Ani Nehra. He is followed by a contingent of battalion appointments led by Battalion Under Officer Anurag Verma. Behind them is the first contingent, the champion company of the previous term, proudly led by Senior Under Officer M. Danish Singh. The second contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Akash Kumar Jha. The third contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Deshang Singh. The Nishan Toli, proudly carrying the Indian Military Academy colours, is led by Senior Under Officer Jitendra Tripola, and the escorts are Company Sergeant Major Ashish Kumar and Company Sergeant Major Lakshya Agarwal. The fourth contingent is led by Senior Under Officer Hardik Saini. The fifth contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Lakshya Vats. The sixth contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Anshul Kumar. Leading the last contingent is Battalion Cadet Adjutant Aryan Naresh Sarani. Bringing up the rear of the parade is the Academy Under Officer Ronit Ranjan Naik marching all by himself. At the end, mounted on his charger, is the adjutant of the Indian Military Academy, Lieutenant Colonel Raghav Swarup Gupta.